What is up, guys? It is DJ Martini Midwest coming at you with another video for my channel today. I just wanted to go back and touch up on hooking up a laptop to the ProReck 4000 or the ProReck 3200 or 3000, guys. It's really simple and easy, guys. I just wanted to show you guys. A lot of people ask me these questions, and I've made videos in the past, but they kind of go a little long. So this is going to be this short, quick, easy version, guys. I'm gonna get right into it because I know I get that gruff too. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, DJ Martini Midwest. If you guys like tech reviews, if you guys like tutorials like this one, please like, subscribe, and like my channel, guys. And if this helps you at all, I'm just trying to help, and please give me a thumbs up and like the video and subscribe, guys. All right, let's get in. I'm jumping right in, guys, real quick, fast and hurry. I'm moving. All right. All right, so laptop right here, guys. If you want to go from a laptop to the ProReck 4000 right here, I have it right in front of me. I don't have the 3200 or the 3000. I don't have the 3000 anymore, but the 3200 is in storage, so I'm not going to get that for you guys, but I'm pretty much going to show you guys how to get this done. And I'm going to show you a picture of the 3000 in just a second, okay? So laptop to ProReck 4000. This is the ProReck 4000 right here. It has RCA jacks. It's just easiest in my opinion. RCA jacks have been around forever. They work, guys. A lot of DJs are gonna gruff with me about XLR and quarter jack. That has it too. You can use those cables if you would like. This is just the easiest way to get it done, guys. Easiest, cheapest method in my opinion, okay? So XLR, or sorry, 3.5 millimeter jack, two RCAs, guys. They just go right in. You're going to match red to red, and in this case this has blue but white to white. I have a cable like that just so you guys look. I have a 3.5 millimeter jack with red and white, guys. Doesn't matter what you guys get. Laptop to the ProReck 4000, boom, you guys are done. Same thing if you were using like a tablet or something. You just go from the 3.5 millimeter jack, the audio jack, out into the ProReck 4000, boom, easy, simple, done. All right, let me show you guys real quick. This is the 3200 right here. Notice it has two quarter jacks and then the red and white. Now if you notice, it is on channel 3.4 is where you want to hook into. That's the input. The other one is a monitor output, so it's an output. It's not going to work. But if you go into the channel 3.4 again right there, channel 3.4, you want to go into those red and white right there. You can do that on the ProReck 3000 and the ProReck 3200. You just plug right into, from your laptop into there, boom, you're done. It is that easy. All right, next thing, if you want to throw in a mixer into that equation, piece of cake, guys, no problem. They have like the studio mixers. This is the same principle as a, you know, like a 2-channel MM1 Gemini that I got up there, okay? Same principle. So, but from now, you're gonna go from the laptop to the mixer first. So you're gonna go into the input. It doesn't matter if you go into A or B, whatever channel you want to. If you want to go into channel 1, the left or right channel, this is a mixer, so it does have a crossfader on the top. You'll just have to pick what side your input is in, okay? So you go into the mixer on the input side, same principle, white to white, red to red. But now you're gonna have to go out from the mixer on the master out, red to red, white to white, and then go into your ProReck 4000, red to red, white to white. Boom, done. That easy, guys. And you know, you got two cables here, that's it, two cables. And now you still have an extra channel on your mixer. So if you want to go to a tablet, you want to go to something else, same principle. 3.5 millimeter jack to RCA into here, and now you have, you know, two different devices that can work on a mixer, okay? So that's that scenario. Same thing, ProReck 3200, 3000, okay, guys? Next thing, so now you have a more complicated mixer up here. You have like a Mixars, a Tractor, and you know, whatever big old mixer you have up there. They just give you more ways to do it. This has XLR, this has quarter jack. I'll give you an example of an XLR and a quarter jack. This is quarter jack, this is XLR, this is, of course, this is a female side here. But so this would go into here, and then you could go quarter jack into here, okay? But you need both, you need two. So you need two of these cables to get left and right channels, okay? I'm not gonna completely show you that because I'm making this video fast, remember? So you just need two of these, and you go left to right. And you could do this with the quarter jack with XLR like this, or you could do quarter jack to quarter jack, you know, whatever cable you like to use, whatever your preference is, no problem. This mixer has RCAs as well, guys. So same principle, guys. So you go from the laptop into the inputs, doesn't matter what channel over here. And then you're gonna go red to red, white to white, from the master out on this mixer as well. Boom. And like I said, 3.5 into whatever channel you like. Just make sure you go into the line, not the phono. You want to go into the line. So we got line right here, red to red, white to white, and then into your laptop, guys. Boom. So we're still running two cables no matter what we're using. The only time we'll use a couple more cables is if you're using those XLRs or quarter jacks, those types of things. Now, so that's how you do that as well. Now, the one extra little thing I want to show you, not to confuse anybody, but this does have a 3.5 millimeter jack auxiliary input as well. So you could do real easy, cool stuff with this, where you could literally go a 3.5 to 3.5 on this with one cable, basically. Basically a cable that would have a 3.5 millimeter jack on both sides. 3.5 goes here, and then the 3.5 would go up to your laptop right there. And just one cable, you could get that done with the ProReck 4000 only. Some speakers do that. If you're using a smaller, like portable Bluetooth speaker or something, usually they have 3.5 millimeter jacks. And so you go laptop, 3.5 to your speaker. Really, really easy, guys. All right, one last quick thing. I'm moving right along, guys. So, controllers is another added thing. Now, these have their own sound cards in them. So, this is a little bit different. You're not going to use that 3.5 millimeter jack on your laptop. You're going to use a USB on your laptop. And this is where I say you don't want to take up a lot of USBs. So, let me do this. It's hard to do it with one hand here without dropping all my stuff. So you're going to plug the USB into your laptop. And wow, it's powering it up. USB into the laptop. That is your sound from your laptop to your controller. And then your controller, you're going to go out, red to red, white to white, to your ProReck. Boom, that's it. You're ready to go to your ProReck, red to red, white to white. And you have now a laptop, a controller, and your sound system, your ProReck. Same thing on the 3200, 3000 to your red and white. Now, if you wanted to go to a mixer, you're going to throw another cable in here. So now you're going to go to the mixer. We're going to use this little 2-channel up here. Same principle on the bigger mixers. You're going to go to a channel then. So you can pick, you know, A or B channel. But then you're going to need another cable. Red and red, red, red. So your master out, red to red, white to white. And then that is going to go to your red to red, white to white on your ProReck. Boom, and now you have a mixer, a controller, and your laptop all hooked up. Boom, boom, you're going to get sound. And you're good to go, guys. So I hope you guys followed that. I'm trying to do it real quick, trying to get straight to the point for all you guys that want me to get straight to the point. Thank you guys so much. I think that's about it. The only thing I'm just going to add is people will ask, can you use like a 3.5 millimeter adapter on your laptop, or like a USB to 3.5 millimeter adapter? Absolutely, you can use that if you want to add, if you want to go through your USB instead of your 3.5 millimeter jack. But if it's there, I would just use it, in my opinion. You don't want to start taking up a lot of USBs because you might be using some flash drives, maybe an external hard drive for your music and those things, you know, will start taking up all those extra USBs out there. Other than that, guys, like I said, same principle for all ProRecks, 3200, 3000, AEF, all of them have pretty much the same outputs, except for the 4000 will have that extra 3.5 millimeter jack as an input as well, which can be extremely simple to hook up a laptop to. You just go from that 3.5 to the 3.5, boom, you're done. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. Real quick video. Thank you guys so much. If it was helpful at all for you guys, please like, subscribe, and share. That's all I got. I'm out.